Across the street from the Vibrant Life Medical and Wellness Clinic is another healthcare center. Hepzibah works at the center across the street, but she often visits Vibrant Life and refers some patients there. It's in this Adventist health center that she herself found hope and healing. At Vibrant Life, Hepzibah and members of her family received natural treatments that improved their health in ways they did not think was possible.
I could literally feel that pain relieving out of me, and it was a great experience. Since then, I've just been visiting them very frequently. And my mother-in-law, who is also a diabetic patient, so for almost close to 8-9 years, we haven't seen her sugar levels come down more lesser than 390. We've tried all treatments, and that hasn't brought the sugar levels down.
But after 3 months of counseling, a special diet, and some medication, this picture changed dramatically.
Last month, her sugar levels were 97, which was unbelievable for us.
Today, many people come to the Vibrant Life Medical and Wellness Clinic because of Hepzibah's enthusiastic referral.
Every day, at least 2 patients have been sending in here referring.
This Adventist center offers natural treatment solutions for chronic diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and obesity. Doctors Narendra and Daisy Rao teach their patients about the impacts of lifestyle choices on their health. The staff puts on health expos coupled with screenings and counseling to raise awareness of relevant topics for this community. Patients of all classes are treated here, from the poor and needy to orphans next door, to the wealthy who are looking for an alternative to the side effects of long-term medication.
There is a great need for lifestyle interventions in our country because we have at present nearly 70 million people with diabetes and about 30 million with heart disease and another 30 million who are obese.
Vibrant Life doctors provide affordable services. The goal is to attract patients at a price point that is competitive, yet fosters sustainability, so this small mission clinic can continue to grow.
And so we have proposed a bigger center which will include all kind of services, including diagnostics, nutrition counseling, health food store and restaurant, exercise facility, a swimming pool, and above all, a training center. We have no training center in India to train our gospel workers in medical missionary work. So we want this center to be a center of influence where we can help our workers to reach out to the community through health evangelism.
Your support of Global Mission helps Vibrant Life and other Life Hope centers. Please pray for the health ministry work in this large metropolis. Pray that this clinic can become a model for many more in the vast country of India.